So just been working on the Sega Master System too, and it's got no video, no audio, and I was testing it with a multimeter and it had power, so I figured possibly it was the RF modulator. And when I took this apart, desoldered it from the board and took the case off, I noticed this pin, or this solder point here, was very loose. It had cracked away. So yeah, I noticed this here had come cracked the solder joint away from the board, and it was very loose. So I just soldered it, reflowed it, and just going to put it back together. Should have fixed it, I think. And yeah, what I did too was I checked the voltage in. I had 5 volts, but I had no volts coming out of it. So I guess that should probably check that first. Maybe see if it feels loose, because it did feel a bit loose too. And yeah, so I'll put it back on anyway. Bit hard to desolder, but what I noticed was these legs, the ground ones, they were twisted, so just had to untwist them really with some pliers, and then twist it. Okay. Found a channel this time, so that's a good sign.